Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel your Surfshark subscription and get a refund if you're not satisfied with the service or if you just want to cancel for any other reason. It's a simple process and I'll walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, head over to the Surfshark website. If you don't see the live chat option at the bottom right corner of the page, don't worry. You can still get in touch with them. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for a link that says either Help Center or Contact Us. Click on it. Once you're on this page, scroll down again until you find the option that says Chat with Us. Click that option and you'll be prompted to enter a few details. Here, you'll need to enter your name and email address. You can use whatever name you want, but make sure to enter the email address you used when signing up for Surfshark. Now, you can write a short message. You don't have to explain much. A simple "Hi, I would like to cancel my subscription and request a refund" will work perfectly. After that, click to start the chat. This will connect you to a customer support representative. I won't start the chat right now because it connects you directly to an agent and I don't want to keep you waiting. But once you're connected, just let them know that you'd like a refund. Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So all you need to do is ask for the refund within the first 30 days of your subscription. That's really all you need to do. Make sure to contact them before the 30-day period ends. If you're within that window, you're eligible for a full refund. Typically, the refund will be processed within 3 to 5 business days, and the process is pretty hassle-free. The customer support agent might ask a question or two to understand why you're canceling, but that's all. Once everything is done, you should receive your refund, and your subscription will be canceled. It's that simple. If you didn't like Surfshark, I would recommend NordVPN. It's one of the highest-rated VPNs in the world, and they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it for any reason, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. NordVPN is a popular and feature-rich virtual private network VPN service known for its strong security, privacy features, and reliable performance. With over 5,000 servers in 60-plus countries, NordVPN ensures fast and stable connections. It includes advanced features such as double VPN, which routes traffic through 2 servers for extra protection, CyberSec to block ads and malicious websites, and an automatic kill switch. Click the link in the description to try NordVPN for a super low price.